Hi, my name's Kinsey.
Hi, and I'm Kinsey's dad, Jason. Today we're going to be making unicorn slimy gloop.
Yeah.
So we got these instructions right here, and we got some cups to mix them in.
Yeah.
There, now you can see we got some glue right here. Got glitter, some gold, silver, turquoise. What else we got here, Kinsey?
Pink paint and blue paint and purple paint.
Yeah, and what are these?
A stick and a spoon.
And?
Sparkly. I don't know what the list is.
Oh, and got some sodium tetraborate.
And also we got this measuring cup.
Oh yeah, I forgot. All right, so let's get started. We're gonna need 2 cups to start out with. There's 1 cup, 2 cups. Let's just get everything that we're not gonna need here out of the way a little bit.
Yeah.
All right, need this. All right, so in this first cup right here, we need 90 milliliters of warm water. So we got our little measuring cup.
Sorry.
There's 30. There's 60. There's 90. Now what we're going to do is add a whole bottle of glue. 70 milliliters. Let's do it the fun way, like this. Here, squeeze it. Squeeze it all in there, and I'll stir it. This might take a little while.
Yeah, it will. Until the glues are gone.
Okay, here, you stir. Stir it, stir it, stir it, stir it, stir it. Yes. Oh, almost got it all.
Daddy almost got it.
Keep stirring. Ooh, got it on the table. Gross. All right, that's about all. Now we're just gonna give it a good stir so it's nice and consistent. I'm gonna go get some napkins.
Yeah. Oh, yuck. Yucky. Yuck, 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 yuck. Yuck.
I'm just gonna give this a good stir so it's nice and consistent.
Yuck, yuck,
Hey,
yuck.
here. Clean up with that. They're looking pretty good, Kins?
Yeah.
Is that nice and consistent?
Yeah.
Can you say that looks consistent?
That looks consistent.
Okay. Now we can set this one to the side.
Yeah.
Now it says grab your second cup. Clean up this little mess here. Grab your second cup. And we're going to do 90 milliliters of warm water again. Last one, you want to pour it?
Yeah.
Okay, no, this one. Okay. Steady, steady. Okay, pour it in. All right, got the warm water in there. Now what we got to do is
Yeah.
add 1 level spoonful of sodium tetraborate using